What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's the blue guy here, and today
I'm still bald.
yeah.
I forgot to
Today I bought a new car. It looks legit. What the video? Okay, guys, I just did some fixes with my thing, so it might be a little bit buggy. Okay, guys, we're back.
This is
Back.
my fourth Ferrari.
Oh, you're still the top one.
Wow.
Yeah, but guys, I bought this 750K car.
After this, I helped you.
After this, I'm done with life.
What?
Well, no, Virginia, look at this. It looks so cool, so smooth. Wait, what was this car called again? It was like a. Let me go back. Let me go back to where I found it.
Oh, your Ferrari!
It was at Stitch had it. I'm gonna go to that place.
I'm gonna paint mine.
Yeah.
Pink.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint my Ferrari pink.
Yeah, I think pink looks cool on Ferraris. But mostly, yeah. Like, but mostly girl people that are girls that are rich, they paint their car pink, and I think it actually looks good. And you're half girl, right? You're half everything. Remember? You're half bald. You're half
I'm
Chinese.
not half bald, I'm fully bald.
Okay. Oh my God, this guy's this guy keeps on turning. This guy just got in my car. He died. Again. Well, okay, it was called a. Wait, which one was it? It was this
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a Pagani Zonda
Oh my god.
F. It's a Pagani Zonda F.
Oh my god. Look at
Oh
this.
my God. We both have toothpaste blue on our. Wait, is mine darker?
No,
Yeah.
I got the exact same one.
Look, I think mine's dark.
Toothpaste is actually pretty nice on the wheels.
Mhm.
And
Yeah, I mean like when you just take real toothpaste and then just paint it all over your car's rim.
okay. I'm not going that way because I think I'm gonna use my car.
I love my car.
Okay, now if I was you, a guy's trying to come to your car. That's 750K. That's a lot of money.
It's lost. Wait, I could almost buy another one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God, there's this guy trying to get in my car.
Yep. I'll never stop farming.
Oh my God, I quickly need to regen. It's acting weird.
Just spoke with the mic.
Oh my God, come on. No. Oh, yay.
He died?
No, my car's kind of acting like fast.
What?
It's acting. Ho, 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 oh, oh.
I have to kill myself real quick.
Oh, why? Why?
I go to my house again.
Okay, I'll pick you up. I'll give you enough money. Oh, you can already buy one.
Yeah, duh. I'm like the richest person in town.
No? I have more than you.
Yeah, I used to be the richest person in town. I almost could afford $1 million if I had to give it all away. And I was actually pretty glad I gave it all away.
Yeah, for the poor people in this game. Oh my God, this guy in this game is so poor. I have to donate to him. No, legit.
Ricky, you don't have to pick me up. Okay, Ricky Romeo, I'm coming.
He left.
Ferrari.
He left the game because
Lamborghini or Ferrari?
I don't know. It's your choice.
Okay, Ferrari.
Your device is device number 4.
No.
Come on. What? Did you flipped it over?
No, guys in it. I gave away my money. Okay.
Where are you?
Oh my god.
Where are you?
Super Amy's here.
Yay! Wait. So I'm gonna try to pick her up. Where is she? No. No, this guy's trying to get in my car. Where's Super Amy? Where's Super Amy?
It's not called car.
Oh my god, I think this guy just crashed into me. Can you find Super Amy? I think she's walking around because she still has $10,000. And I think she's...
Give her some money.
Oh, I see your red Ferrari.
I want to paint it pink again. This time and a different. No, Ferrari. No, bad boy.
No, go away.
No, I'm not gonna. No, this guy's just.
If I was Super Amy, where would I be?
Dude, this guy's asking me a friend request.
I'll never. Today I don't. I found Super Amy.
Where?
Amy, hi.
Where?
Get in my field. She's in Hyper Dealership, where I bought this car.
What is she doing there?
I don't know. She barely has enough money. I think she went like downstairs or something to get like a drink. Yay! She sees me. She's trying to enter inside my car. Get in, Amy. Get in. Oh yeah.
Never stop firing. I just like unspeakable.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that song. Like he put a lot of detail into it. No, how about I let you buy this car?
Oh, that's a lot of money, sir.
I already got a lot of money.
How much?
7,000.
Okay.
700,000. I'm trying to bring her to my house.
Oh.
Jump out, Amy. Don't get in my driver's seat.
Oh no.
Chica. Amy. Amy.
Okay, open your garage. I want to park this thing.
Okay. Open garage, lock house. Why can't... Wait, what is... I don't trust her with my car because she might go into the driver's seat and die. Come, let's make a... Oh, I'm gonna say I am vid. I am vid. She's just like, oh. Okay, Mario, you want to pick her up this time?
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
I'm parking my car. Okay, look, you can close the garage.
Okay, close garage. Let's go. Let's go pick up Super Amy. If she's at Hyper's dealership again, how did she get there that fast? She just joined like I explored. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Is she at Hyper dealership again?
Oh my god.
No. Does this... Oh my god. Does this guy's trying to get in my car? No. Oh my god. My tire's stuck in the ground. My tire is stuck in the ground.
Really? How
Yeah.
does this happen all the time?
No, I hate this. No. Bye. No.
You sold it?
Yeah. I had to.
Wait, so I'm gonna wait, so I should pick her up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open the garage.
Open garage. Where is she? Should I I'm buying this one this time.
Wait, you have enough?
Oh my god. This is the most epic car ever.
Okay, so you can afford both of those things, and I can't. No.
No. Where is she?
You're already there?
No.
Okay, I know where she is.
Where?
She's at the big fountain.
Why? Why would she be in that place? Okay, I'm gonna quickly customize my car. It looks legit. I'm gonna park my car and you're gonna see it and you're gonna be amazed.
Okay, open your door.
Hold on. What? Oh my god. No. I can't. Okay, I almost couldn't get out of my car. And it looks so legit. Legitimately. I'm gonna make it toothpaste red. Ooh, red looks good. Let's make the rooms purple for all the girls out there.
Okay.
She's at the big fountain.
She won? Oh, I already picked her up.
Are you bringing her to my house?
Yeah,
Are you there?
already at there, yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Mara, if you see this car, you're gonna open your mouth.
Oh, dude, we're the only people here.
Come on. I can't flip off my car. Flip, flip, flip. No, 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 please, please don't do this. I'm regenerating it. Oh my god. What the heck just happened? No, my car.
I will never stop farming.
No, 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 no. This can't be what's happening to my car. No, 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 no. Come on. No, my car's gone. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I came here to see you again. Why does this always happen to me? Tell me. Why?
She's always worried about you.
What?
She's literally calling your name.
Wookie.